Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Rata coming at you with another video, and in today's video, I don't know if y'all can see where I'm at now. Okay, y'all didn't even know where I was at. I was at home. I got back today. I just got back like a few hours ago. I got back to my residence place. My skin is acne full. So I got back to school. I got back to school today, and right now all I want to do is I'm trying to clean my room because I've been away for 2 months. So I just got back, so I'm like, okay, I need to clean my room to just have the space feeling fresh again, because I was gone for a pretty long time. I just finished unpacking, so I just want to really deep clean everything, like the bathroom, my room, just like mop and sweep and just get into it. So I'm gonna put you guys somewhere. So this is gonna be like a day in my life coming back from home, like how I'm gonna tripod, how I am going to like just adjust to everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? Because I would really appreciate that, and also subscribe to my channel, please. I would really love that. Like, why wouldn't you want to be part of my family? Right, so yeah, so I'm gonna start cleaning. I'm gonna start cleaning right now, and I'm just gonna put you guys, I don't know if I should put you guys over here or put you guys over there. Yeah, I got my ring light over there, y'all. I brought my ring light this time because the lighting here is brushy because it's a little bit dark.
When the treasures relax, can you not pay that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to Rex. We in Atlanta, I buy her weed. She telling me Tay is the best. One of the niggas who act like a killer, but you only one from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you won't be stretched. Bring Drakes to the hood, surround Drake, around Drakes. Even though I got a case, I'ma do what it takes. And I've never been embraced, and the money's hard to make.
Okay, so I just finished cleaning. I feel so excited. I feel like my room is my room again. It's kind of feeling a little bit cozy, like sit on the bed kind of stuff. Okay, but I finished cleaning my room. Right now I just wanna eat. Like, I did so much, y'all. I redid my bedding, I cleaned the floors, cleaned the bathroom, even cleaned my study desk, even though it looks a mess right now because I just put everything on it after like wiping it and everything. So y'all, I've done the most. So right now all I want to do is just chill. Like I said, I want to eat and then also check the schoolwork that I have that I missed today because I was on the road, and it's a Monday today, so I missed Monday's schoolwork. So I have to catch up on that. So I have a day's work to catch up, and I want to try catch up tonight so that tomorrow is a new day. These pimples on my forehead. Yeah, so I'm not really done unpacking my bags though. That I'm like, I'll just do as the week goes because I'm so tired. Like, I'm so tired. I could only clean. So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna be chilling. I'm gonna be vibing. I think I will see you guys tomorrow because I want to go stationery shopping. Not really stationery shopping, but I'm gonna buy some textbooks tomorrow and also some groceries because yeah, girl, got no groceries. I went to the store because I don't have anything. I don't have breakfast, and I was like, I'm just gonna buy these things that I'm gonna eat tomorrow morning. I bought this, it's a good morning breakfast biscuit. So I bought this new one. It's new. It's a apricot and peach flavor. So this is gonna be my first time trying. And then I also got this one. This is like the mixed berry one. I know this one tastes good. I'm trying to go healthy, y'all. I was gonna buy the chocolate one because I'm a chocolate freak, but look at these pimples on my forehead. Look at those pimples on my face. We gotta go healthy. So yeah, so I bought those. So I'm trying to calm down. Also trying to change this outfit because it's about time that I change, and I think once I change into something comfortable, that's when I'm gonna start feeling like I'm home. So that's what I'm gonna do. Change into something comfortable. I don't know if I should change into my PJs already, or I should just change into some sweats that I'll wear tomorrow in the house. I don't know, but I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when we go stationery shopping and also grocery shopping. Yeah, and I also tried cleaning the outside of my balcony. I just want to show you guys right now. Like, I'm not gonna go outside, but I have birds that poo outside my balcony, which is the most disgusting thing ever, which is why I never go outside, because birds. And it's like so hard to clean, and even if I do clean, like, I'm gonna wake up the next morning with like bird poo on my balcony. Ugh, so annoying. But look at that. Like, let me zoom you guys in. Like, look at that. And it's making my whole like place just okay, I'm gonna have to clean it though, so I think I'll do that like maybe during the weekend or something, because I hardly go out on my balcony, so it's not something that disturbs me. But aesthetically, you know, I want my place looking clean, like clean throughout. So I'm gonna have to scrape that, because I tried sweeping it off. It's not budging. It's not budging. I tried sweeping, it's not budging. So I'm gonna have to scrape it off. So I'm gonna find something to scrape that off with and just scrape it off, and then after doing that, sweep everything and then mop my floors outside, just have it looking pretty. Even though I know after cleaning that place up, it's gonna be a mess just like a day later or 2 days later. I don't know how you get rid of birds from pooping on your floor, balcony and stuff. I tried googling it. They said put something like flashy, something mirrory, when the sun hits, like, I don't know, but like tinfoil or something like that. But that's something to worry about later on. Right now I'm just gonna chill and, well, just change into my clothes and start schoolwork. Chill, we chilling. Not really. Hey girls. Okay, back again. Back at it again. So it's the next day. It's in the morning right now. The time is, I think it's 9:30. So I'm gonna go. Yes, 9:41. I'm gonna take a shower right now so that I can get ready for my day today. And I'm gonna bring you guys with me, as I always do. If you watch my vlogs, you know that I always bring you guys with me most of the time where I go. So we are gonna do that again today. We're gonna go stationery shopping and also probably get some groceries. I'm still thinking about it, because I don't know where I want to get my groceries from, because I definitely don't want to get them at Spar, because that place is too expensive for my budgeting. So I want to try to go where it's a little bit more reasonable, but then honestly there's no place that is. So it's just like, just buy what you like. So I don't know, but I'll see after buying my textbooks where I decide to go, and if I do decide to buy anything. I'm gonna go shower now. See you guys when I'm done. Okay. Okay, so we made it. We are outside. I'm about to get into the store right now. I didn't know what to say in this part of the vlog, but yeah, let's go in. We're gonna just buy some textbooks. I don't think I'm gonna get any stationery, because I feel like the stationery that I bought first semester is still good enough. So yeah, let's go in.
I love you, Peace, sir.
I just got back from the store. I'm so tired already, because I mean, the stuff were heavy. Those the food and everything was heavy, so I went to OK first to go get some stuff, and then what I did not get at OK, I decided to just go to Spar, even though I said it's expensive, which it is. But I had to like get some stuff that are like heavier, like my milk and everything, from there because it's closer to my place. I'm like, okay, I had to like walk. So anyway, okay, so I'm in my gown and everything because it's really cold in my room, so I need to keep warm. But I'm having some noodles, student life vibes. I love noodles so much. So right now what I'm about to do is I'm about to start like watching and reading some schoolwork that I missed out on because school started yesterday. Well, it officially started yesterday, and I was on the road yesterday because I was coming back to my place. I know I could have came back during like the weekend before school started, but it was month end. Today is the 3rd of August. It was month end, and I was not about to like be in the month end traffic and stuff like that on the road. I just missed one class too, so it's not like that hectic. So well, it is hectic, but not too hectic. So yeah, so right now I'm just logging in. Okay, you guys can't see. I'm just logging into my laptop. I'm about to like start with the work,
and we will listen to you. Okay, let me share my screen with you.
Okay, so I'm in class. Well, I'm not in class, but I'm watching the recording now. It's 35 minutes long, which is not bad at all. I thought it was going to be like an hour, but yeah, so I'm watching that now, and I'll keep you guys when I'm done because I need to focus.
Most important is
But you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's loving that you want, you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's loving that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world. If it's loving that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me.
Okay, so I'm done cooking. Let me close the blinds. I feel like it's too early to close the blinds right now, but I'm gonna do it and y'all can't see me. Okay, cool. Let me switch on the light. Okay, there we go. So I'm done cooking. I'm gonna show you guys my meal real quick. It looks so cute. Under the light, look at that. Ooh, oh shucks, I'm gonna have to change that. But look at this. Okay, so I'm eating it just alone though. I'm not going to do it with rice and stuff. Like, I thought of doing it that way, but then I got lazy. I made enough for 2 days. 2 days. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat right now. I was about to make some tea. I'm gonna make tea. I'm gonna make the cranberry and pomegranate rooibos tea. I really want to taste how it tastes because I think that is like interesting. So I'm gonna make this tea. The reason I bought cranberry, I know cranberry is very good for your urinary area or something like that. I don't know, but I'm gonna try this. Hopefully it tastes good. I'm gonna do a quick taste test with you guys on my food right here. So I'm gonna take a bit of everything. So I have my chicken. I'm gonna take the broccoli and the carrot, just a bit of everything. I think this is almost everything, and we're gonna taste this. This tastes good. Like, it tastes so good. I wish I had put more of the veggies inside. I thought I put a lot, but clearly I didn't because I have more meat here than I do my veggies. But this is busted. It's good. It's really good. But anywho, yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and remember that I love you and Jesus loves you. So yeah,